What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Cherry Garage. Today I'm with the E46 M3, and I'm going to get around to reviewing the CSL Airbox that I got from Turner Motorsports. If you're watching this video, you're probably thinking, is it worth it? And I'm going to try and answer that for you. So first off, I'm going to tell you what it cost for me to get everything here. But before I do that, I'll go ahead and show you everything that is a part of my conversion. So here she is, the CSL intake, carbon fiber. You can see here's this intake air temperature sensor. I have the wiring routed down underneath through there. And this plugs into some old sensor. I have it ran through there. There's a whole kit for that, or that's a part of the kit. This is how I modified my dipstick. It's in the installation video exactly how I did that, if you're curious. So for me, I did the MAP sensor conversion. So right here you can see the MAP sensor. It's in this little air rail, and I have a wire that sends data from that all the way through into the ECU. Some wiring done there. So that's if you're doing the MAP conversion, which is what I'd recommend, because that's what I did. If you want more information on the MAP sensor and just the installation process of it, I do have the installation video on our YouTube channel as well. I wanted to show you that so we can talk about the prices. To break down the costs, the MAP sensor kit I got from Kassel Performance, that is $250. Also with Kassel Performance, I got the ECU hardware conversion to be able to read the signal from the MAP sensor since it didn't come with a MAP sensor from factory. I also had them do a off-the-shelf custom tune for it. I gave them the information. They're very familiar with the platform. They gave me all the launch control, shift lights, and different cool little options. The Airbox kit was $1,800. That tune was $600. The conversion of the hardware, the ECU, was $235, and the MAP sensor kit was $250. All that together cost about $3,000, which is a lot of money for a car part. So the next topic I want to cover is the installation. It wasn't too difficult to install. The hardest part for me was the modification of the dipstick. The rest was no different than any other time I've had to remove an intake manifold. Aside from the carbon fiber airbox installation itself, the associated wiring with the changes to the sensors that I had to install was still very simple. And the next thing you're going to want to know about is, what is it like driving it? So there's two main things, especially with this one, that are going to be noticeable: your performance and the sound of your car. The sound, it's awesome. Under slight throttle, you can hear a whistle of all the air passing through that filter. It's a big area to flow air through, and you can hear it. It sounds pretty cool. Once you're on throttle, it's a deep growl, and it's very addicting. It's a great sound. As far as the performance is concerned, with the tune and the new intake, there's a noticeable difference in power, torque, responsiveness. Basically, for the whole power curve, it seems to have more power, and it sounds better while I do it. As far as the tune that I got along with it, I love the shift lights. It's a great addition. The sport mode memory option is on, so if I turn the car off, sport mode will be on when I turn it back on. The drivability is really no different. It's still an E46 M3, so it's just more. So it's still smooth and accelerates nice, but definitely in sport mode, it can be a little jumpy. So in conclusion, guys, I'm really happy with my decision to go and buy the CSL intake. Yes, it is expensive. However, I think it's worth it, especially if it's a car that you see yourself owning for a long time, I think you should go ahead and make the decision to make the leap and put that intake on. I don't think you'll regret it at all. You're not gonna get crazy horsepower for the amount of money that you spend, but you're definitely gaining horsepower, and the overall driving experience is definitely improved. I plan to still go ahead and get it dynoed, but I may wait until I get some other modifications done to it before I go for the dyno, because I would like to get a custom dyno tune when I go. I might get some race cams, or like street race cams. I want to be able to daily, or at least street, comfortably drive it.
Yeah, it's a little bit hotter.
But something close to the cam upgrade that they did have on the CSL. Also soon I'm going to be doing the rebuild on my differential and fully winterizing the under rear end. So we're going to make some videos on that if that interests you. If you do decide to install this, check out the installation video I had made on it. It's pretty simple. The video will definitely help you out. And if you like E46 M3s and you like the CSL intake, please like this video and subscribe. We're going to have plenty more to do on this because I think I'm going to have it forever.
That's you.
Yeah, that's me. Also, I'm going to do a valve adjustment and possibly a full Vanos job if I need to do the Vanos. I'm going to open it up and see if I need to or not.
Oh, we'll show you how to check, yeah?
Yeah, we'll show you how to check. Maybe we'll do a full behind the build video on this. Let us know if you want to do a full behind the build.
No, don't even ask me. We're going to do it.
We're going to do it. All right.
We're going to do behind the build.